Everybody knows Halloween is a pagan holiday, right? So just how do we know that? Hi, my name is Gay O'Neill and this is Jesus Stories, where we find out about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. Our last video talked about establishing All Saints' Day as a day to honor Christian martyrs and saints. Once the church in Rome moved All Saints' Day to November 1st, it became linked to the Celtic holiday of Samhain. So what is Salween? Samhain was essentially Celtic New Year's Day. After the summer growing season, the year ended with the fall harvest. The new year started on the moonrise of the first last quarter moon after the first day of fall. Last quarter moon? When you see the moon half lit and half dark, that is actually a quarter moon. The moon is either 1/4 or 3/4 of the way through its cycle. If you look at a quarter moon just after midnight and the lighted portion points downward, that is the last quarter moon. The Celtic New Year's Day, Samhain, followed the end of the summer harvest when everything green was dead, and the Celts associated Samhain also with human death. The Celts believed that on the Samhain moonrise, the night of October 31st, that the boundaries between the worlds of the living and the dead became blurred. On that night, the souls of their dead relatives returned to Earth. The Celts believed that these relatives would revisit their old homes, so Celtic families would set a place for them at the table for the Samhain feast on November 1st. When Pope Gregory III named November 1st as All Saints' Day, the Irish Church had a big problem on their hands. They had a new Christian holiday that honored dead saints and an old pagan holiday where the dead were believed to come back to earth. What could possibly go wrong with that? So the Irish Church celebrated All Saints' Day on April 20th. And that worked out just fine for about 100 years. But then Pope Gregory IV decreed November 1st as All Saints' Day throughout the Holy Roman Empire. And like it or not, the two holidays became one throughout the Celtic region, and the pagan practices of Samhain became a permanent part of All Hallows Eve. Okay, so what does that have to do with candy and costumes? Next time. Thanks again for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about Christian history and about heroes of the faith, because so much of who we are is because of who they were. Please give this video a like. That is a huge help to the channel, and share it with the people that you care about. And please, as always, let me know in the comments about what topics you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.